In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and today I would like to show you how you can add shortcuts to Google search bar. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Settings on the right. Then click on Shortcuts over here and tap on the best shortcut for you in order to apply it. When you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that, my water shortcut was successfully added. To use it, just click on it. To get rid of it, you need to hold your search bar again, click on Settings, tap on Shortcuts and select any other one, or click on None to disable this option completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!